Hey, it's Video Tech Dude from Video Tech Dude Academy. In this video, I'm showing you the share screen feature in Zoom, and let's jump into the video. Alright, here we are in Zoom. We are currently in a meeting. It's not one that I'm hosting, so I'm just a participant, and it depends on the meeting settings that you're in. Some may allow you to share your screen, but some may not. One easy way to make it so you can share your screen is to become a co-host, or you can ask the host to just allow it for everybody to share their screen. Anyways, to share it, you go down to share screen, and then we have options right here. These are programs that are opened on my computer, even including a folder including the music for this video. But we also have advanced options as well, where you can just share the audio from our computer, which is pretty awesome. So if you want to be playing some background music in a meeting, you can do so with that. And you can also share files through various applications here as well. But with a basic one, you have to choose a window. You can't share your full screen, unfortunately. I'm gonna share Chrome right here. I don't want to share computer audio. If you want to share audio from like a video or something, just click that box. I don't use optimized screen sharing a whole lot, but that can be good if something's just not playing right. But then I'm just gonna hit share, and now Zoom kind of goes away, and you might kind of freak out and not know what to do about that. At the top of the screen is where you can access Zoom. So you just put your mouse to the top of the screen, this will pop down, and then you have all your normal controls in the bar down below. You can pause a share if you don't want to just stop it altogether, which then you can push resume again. And then there's also more options down here, such as share computer sound if you change your mind. And then you can see other participants over in this window, which you can toggle using these three little buttons right here. And the window we're sharing is highlighted in green, which is pretty nice, so we know what we're sharing and what we're not sharing. And then we can just open up things, and other people in the meeting will be able to see it. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty simple. You can push new share if you want to share something else. And then to stop sharing your screen, just hit stop share, and it will return to the normal Zoom interface. So that's pretty cool. That's the basics of the sharing your screen. If this video helped you out, you can like it so you can reference it in the future, or just help me out and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And you can even recommend content that you'd like me to make in the comments down below. With that being said, I'll see you next time.